Welcome learners, I am Dipankar Vasumadari, teaching English in Gajera School, Surat.
Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. Dust of Snow by Robert Frost. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had rued.
Let's now talk about the questions then. The first question asked, what is a dust of snow? A dust of snow is a collection of fine particles of snow. What does the poet say has changed his mood? The dust of snow. The snow that fell on him from the hemlock tree changed his mood. And how has the poet's mood changed? It changed into the better. He was sad, he was regretting something that had happened earlier in the day, but after the dust of snow fell on him, he felt happy. Question number 2. How does Frost present nature in his poem? He presents nature in its bleak state, with snow falling, with a hemlock tree, and then a crow also is in the scene. All these symbols are traditionally associated with death, gloom, and sadness. But he has inverted the images, the symbolism here. So this is the note. You can read the note and see for yourselves. These are the points that you will write in your answer to this. The crow is associated with death, and hemlock tree also is a poisonous tree. And the snow itself is a sign of decay, not exactly decay, it is a sign of old age, death, coldness, like a warmth. But these symbols have been inverted by Frost. These very symbols, which are considered negative, have a positive effect on him. Okay, what are the birds that are okay? Actually, these are some points that you will need to discuss the question. You can talk about the birds. You can talk about the symbols the poet has used. What are the birds that are usually named in poems? These are normal birds that we see in poems. The cuckoo and the nightingale. Do you think a crow is often mentioned in poems? Not much, but there is a famous poem called Raven. What images come to your mind when you think of a crow? Of course, it brings images of death, suffering, and depression. Point number 2, this you can include in your answer. What is a hemlock tree? A hemlock tree is a poisonous tree. A potion, a drink made out of the leaves or the bark of a hemlock tree was given to Socrates to kill him when he was actually given the death penalty for questioning the authorities in Greece. So that is hemlock is a poisonous tree. But here, the poisonous tree has become a symbol of positivity. It subverts the conventional meanings associated with these symbols. Does the poet write about a more beautiful tree such as a maple or an oak or a pine? Of course no. What do the crow and hemlock represent? Joy or sorrow? Normally sorrow, but here, happiness. This brought the poet happiness. What does the dust of snow that the crow shakes off a hemlock tree stand for? Snow normally stands for coldness, like of love, warmth, but here it carries happiness for the poet. And this is something value based. You need to talk about your personal experiences here.